Hello friends, day 105 and I'm on the Annandale Way now, which has been quite nice so far. Bit of road, but some nice views and some nice paths. I went into Moffat earlier on today and stocked up with food. And Moffat's a nice town. I've been there before when motorcycling. It's quite a prosperous town. The Annanhead Way crosses over with the South Uplands Way, so I did a little bit of that where they run parallel. I decided to take an early break today after yesterday's marathon effort, and I thought of Nigel, and you all know by now what Nigel would say: it's not a race. And I thought, you're absolutely right, Nigel. I'm going to stop now because I found a nice place to camp, which you will see shortly. So I will see you on the trail. So this is my room with a view tonight. Lovely. I knew I was coming up to some forest and I didn't want to get caught out like yesterday, so I decided to stop, have a nice easy day and enjoy the view